Today, we're going to meet a very special new friend. His name is Mochi the Bunny. Look, here he is, Mochi. It's a fluffy, white bunny with long floppy ears and a cute little twitchy nose. He loves to hop, hop, hop all around the sunny meadow. Today is a very exciting day, and Mochi has something special with him. Do you see it? He has a big brown basket. It's a beautiful basket, woven from strong twigs, reeds, with a big handle that's perfect for a little bunny to hold. Mochi looks at his basket and tilts his head. He wiggles his nose and thinks, what's inside my basket? Are you curious too? Let's help Mochi find out what's hiding inside. Okay, Mochi, let's take a peek inside this big brown basket. What's the first thing you see? Mochi reaches in with his soft little paw. Oh, look what he's found. It's a beautiful egg. What color is it? That's right, it's pink. A lovely, soft pink color, just like a blooming rose in the garden. Mochi holds the pink egg carefully. He rolls it in his paws. He can feel that it is very smooth. And ooh, it feels a little bit cold to the touch. A smooth, cold, pink egg. What a wonderful find! Mo gently places the pink egg back into the soft grass inside his basket. He's so happy with his first treasure, but I have a feeling there might be more hiding in there. Should we look for another one? Let's keep exploring. Mochi is so excited about the pink egg, but he has a feeling his basket holds more secrets. He looks inside again, pushing aside some fresh green grass. What's this? He spots a big green leaf tucked in the corner. What could be under this leaf? He wonders. He uses his nose to nudge the leaf over. And guess what he finds hiding underneath? It's another egg. This one is a different color. Can you tell me what color it is? Yes, it's blue. A bright, beautiful blue, like the color of the big, wide ocean on a sunny day. Wow, a blue egg. Mochi is so surprised. He didn't even know it was hiding there. So now he has a pink egg and a blue egg. 2 beautiful eggs in his basket. This is getting very exciting. What else could be hiding in there? Mochi the Bunny now has 2 amazing eggs in his basket. A pink one and a blue one. His little bunny heart is thumping with excitement. Are there any more? He whispers to himself. He decides to look one more time. He puts his head deep inside the basket and sniffs around. His nose twitches back and forth. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Wait a minute. 2. He smells something sweet, like honey and sunshine. He follows the scent and peeks behind a pretty white flower that's tucked into the side of the basket. And what do you think he finds there? You got it. It's one more egg. And this one is a cheerful yellow color. A brilliant, sunny yellow, just like the warm sun shining in the sky. It almost looks like it's glowing. What an amazing discovery! Mochi, the bunny, is the happiest bunny in the whole meadow. Let's look at all the treasures he found in his big brown basket. First, he found the smooth, pink egg. It felt cold in his paws. Then, hidden under a green leaf, he found the beautiful blue egg. And finally, tucked behind a sweet-smelling flower, he discovered the bright yellow egg. Let's count them all together. Are you ready? 1, the pink egg. 2, the blue egg. And 3, the yellow egg. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Mochi carefully arranges them in his basket. A pink one, a blue one, and a yellow one. They look so beautiful together, like a rainbow of jewels. Mochi feels so proud of his amazing collection. With his basket full of 3 colorful eggs, Mochi knows he is ready for a very special celebration. What celebration do you think it is? With all these colorful eggs. That's right, it's Easter. Mochi the Bunny is ready for Easter. He can't wait to share his beautiful eggs with all of his friends in the meadow. He imagines hopping through the tall grass, his basket swinging gently, showing everyone the pink, blue, and yellow treasures he found. He's going to have the best Easter egg hunt ever. Mochi gives a happy little hop, his long ears flopping with joy. 1, 2, 3. What a wonderful day of discovery it has been. Mochi cuddles his basket close, feeling very happy and very lucky. Wasn't that a fun story with Mochi the Bunny? We learned some new words today. Let's go over them together. The first color we saw was pink. Pink is a soft, gentle color, like a pretty rose or a fluffy stick of cotton candy. Can you think of something else that is pink? The next color was blue. Blue is a primary color, which means it's one of the main colors we use to make other colors. It's the color of the deep blue ocean or the clear sky above us. And our last color was yellow. Yellow is such a bright and happy color, isn't it? There. It's the color of the sun that warms our faces and the yummy bananas we eat. And finally, Mochi carried everything in a basket. A basket is a container, often made of woven material, that we use to carry things. Just like Mochi carried his Easter eggs. Pink, blue, yellow, and basket. Great job! Now, let's see how well you were listening. I have a few practice questions for you. Are you ready? Question number 1. Who had the big brown basket in our story? Was it a squirrel, a little bird, or was it our fluffy friend? That's right. Mochi the Bunny had the basket. You're so smart. Okay, here's the next question. Question number 2. What color was the very first egg that Mochi found? Do you remember? He said it was smooth and cold. Was it yellow? Was it blue? Yes, you've got it. The first egg was pink. A lovely, soft pink. Fantastic memory. Question number 3. At the end of the story, how many eggs were in March's basket altogether? Let's think back. He found the first one. Then he found another one under a leaf, and one more behind a flower. So how many is that in total? Let's count them on our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Exactly! There were 3 eggs in the basket. A pink one, a blue one, and a yellow one. You did an amazing job answering all the questions. You paid such great attention to Mochi's adventure. I think Mochi would be very proud of you. What a wonderful adventure we had with Mochi the Bunny today. We helped him look inside his basket and discover 3 beautiful eggs, just in time for Easter. It's always so much fun to explore and find surprises, isn't it? And you did such a fantastic job learning new colors and helping us count. Remember, just like Mochi, sometimes the best treasures are waiting to be discovered. Always stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Thank you so much for joining our story time today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Be sure to come back soon for more stories and adventures. Bye-bye for now.